In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on Shopify with a powerful tutorial that's perfect for beginners. Shopify can seem a bit daunting initially, but don't worry. We'll walk through the setup process together to ensure you feel comfortable and ready to launch your own online store. First, let's start by opening your browser and heading over to shopify.com. Once you're there, you'll notice an inviting button labeled Start for Free. Go ahead and click on that. Creating an account is straightforward. You'll follow the prompts to set up your account. Shopify does this intentionally, helping guide you through the store creation process with simplicity and ease. As you proceed, Shopify will ask some questions designed to help customize your experience and make sure your site suits your needs. These questions will include where you would like to sell, whether the store is intended for a new or existing business, the types of products you plan on selling, and finally, the name of your store. While it might be tempting to skip these steps and jump straight to the admin dashboard, if you're new to Shopify, it's beneficial to take the time to answer these questions. They are there to help you get a clearer picture of your business setup and enhance the functionality of your online store. With your store basics established, you will now find yourself on the admin dashboard. This is essentially your store's command center. To start adding products, you'll want to focus your attention on the left side panel and click on Products. From here, select Add Product and enter all necessary details about the items you plan to offer. If you already have a list of products compiled in a spreadsheet, you can save time by importing a CSV file. Just ensure that your file fits the CSV template used by Shopify, as this will ensure everything uploads correctly and without errors. Now, to get a sneak peek of how your site looks live, simply hover over Online Store on that same left panel. An eye icon will appear. Click on it to preview your site. This way, you can make sure everything appears exactly as you want it before your launch. With products added, it's time to set up how you'll get paid. Again, look to the bottom left of your dashboard and click on Settings. From there, select Payments. You have a variety of payment options to choose from. Choose the methods that will work best with your business model and client base, and when you're all set, don't forget to hit Save. And there you have it. With these steps, you've laid the groundwork to start selling on Shopify. Once these basics are set up, you'll be well prepared to make adjustments and updates as needed. If any changes are required or questions arise, Shopify's resources and community are always available to help guide you through. Happy selling!